Welcome back to Origami for Kids and part 3 of our summer Origami Airplane Collection. In this video, you'll learn how to fold a super easy plane in only 6 steps. So today you're going to need a square sheet of paper, and the first thing you're going to do is fold it in half. Next, open it up and fold the top corner down into that new crease, and then repeat on the opposite side. Next, fold that whole side into the middle crease. Then repeat on the other side. Then, flip it over and fold it in half. And here you go. That's your plane in only 6 steps. We hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and look out for part 4 of our summer origami airplane collection.